Hey everyone, this is DW96 from groovyPost.com, and today I'm going to show you a very easy to use and groovy feature in Office Word 2010. I'll guide you through the extremely easy process of saving a document with a thumbnail. So all you have to do for this is you have your document ready and you want to save it. Click on File, Save As. And once you browse to the location where you want to save your document, simply check the Save Thumbnail checkbox right over here on the bottom. So you add your name, click Save, and then when you go to the location of the file, if you're on a view of extra large or large icons, you're going to be able to see the icon just like that. It's going to be a thumbnail of the actual document. So that's about it. Pretty easy to do and non-problematic. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. There are a lot more tutorials over at groovypost.com, so make sure you check them out, and thank you for watching.